how to change language on Instagram. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on Instagram. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Then look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. Once you're on your profile page, go to the top right corner and tap on the three horizontal lines to open the menu. From here, scroll down until you see an option with an icon that looks like a globe and says Language and Translations. Tap on Language and Translations to open it up. At the very top, you'll see Set Language. Go ahead and tap that. A list of available languages will appear. Just scroll through and pick the language you'd like Instagram to use. After you select your language, Instagram will automatically reload and switch everything over to the one you chose. That's all it takes, super simple and only takes a minute. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick guides. Thanks for watching.